Onset Bay, and welcome to the Onset Bay Association Weekly News. I am Sunny Vaughn here, and I have a very special guest, Karen Wright. Karen has a very important message for the community, and she said it was vital that she come on today to share that message with the community, and we are so happy to have you. Karen, thank you for taking the time to be here with us today, and we would love to hear this message that you have for all of Onset Bay.
That's Karen Wright with the W-R-I-G-H-T. It's not my maiden name, it's from an ex-husband. I'm sure you know of him. He's Wayne Wright. He played Newman.
I love Newman.
Yeah.
Oh, we all love Newman.
Yeah. That we're not together anymore. But, you know, I still think the name fits. It always felt right. And even though me and Wayne went our separate ways.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
He just left. I stayed, and he just went one way, and I just haven't seen him. And that's a problem. But I don't really appreciate you digging into my personal life. I'm here to raise awareness. I'm here to raise awareness for an invisible enemy that is starting to become visible. I'm talking about the drones we all see in the skies.
What in your experience have you seen in the Onset Bay community that tells you we need to get rid of these drones?
Well, everything's a joke until a propeller just comes and takes one of your ears off. And then you find out the person operating the drone, no license. They went from Best Buy to the sky. Sonny, I don't want to be here today. I have to be here. I have to do this.
Tell me about it.
You saying that sarcastically, or are you agreeing with me?
I shouldn't have said that. I don't know why I said that.
You shouldn't have said that. I don't get this. Is this?
I don't know why I said it. I shouldn't have said it. Forget I said it.
How do we go back from here?
I don't know how to go back.
I have good mind to walk off this set right now.
That was very rude of me, and please tell us the news that you have for us. Okay.
It's a warning. It's a final warning. We're being attacked every day by drones. Stray packs of drones are taking over most major cities in the United States of America. No one knows. No one cares.
I care.
You don't care. I'm care. We should do that. We should do Sunny and care. One person cares, and one person just ignores all the problems in life and in the community. Climate change.
We'll table that. We'll table that.
You don't even have a table.
We'll get one.
Tell you what, Sonny. You want me to come up here and say it's all sunshine and rainbows on the bay? The bay's okay? The bay's not okay.
Why isn't it okay?
Because when they're too high, they're invisible, but they're still there. They're still there.
So what is it that you're talking about?
I want the community leaders to know, I want you to know, Mr. Mayor, that if you don't get this under control, I'm going to have your ass on a swivel. I am sorry to get us so upset. Composure is usually what I'm known for, but this just makes me so angry, so concerned.
Now, I gotta tell you, Karen, I myself have never seen one person fly a drone in Onset. I've got to be honest with you. Now, what would you say to those who say that drone access allows the tourists to come? Because as we know, Onset Bay community is a big tourist destination. What would you say to people who say that by taking out the opportunity to fly drones, that we would be taking away from the tourism of Onset Bay? What would you say to that?
You know, I just read a statistic in The Atlantic about this exact issue. It says 63% of vacationers are turned away by communities with high drone activity. So you tell me, little miss, all that, if that's going to help the taxes, if that's going to help revenue, if that's going to help the economy, if 63% of the potential vacationers leave, or better yet, don't even show up.
That is so interesting. Where did you hear those statistics?
I forget. They have to be true, though.
Well, I stand corrected, Karen.
You sit corrected, but yes, I did correct you.
Wow, I had no idea that the problem was that bad in this community.
It's bad.
I had no idea.
Now you do.
Well, I feel lucky that you're here telling us, Karen. We should all be so lucky and feel so blessed that we have you in our lives and that you can guide us through this turmoil.
You're welcome. This is the issue. It's an unregulated society. It's an unregulated area. This movement is just getting started. This is an iceberg, tip of. There's a little tip coming out of the ocean, but under the ocean there's this huge, big-ass rock that no one can see yet. You ever see the movie Titanic?
No, but I saw the Poseidon Adventure.
Very, very similar storyline, very similar outcome. Death and destruction.
And I do think that the community leaders are going to need to do something about this because this is something that cannot continue.
Well, I'll tell you this, they better, because you don't want to see Karen Wright run for city council. You just don't want to see it. I'll come in there, I'll start making furniture move, things will be coming out of the sky, and people will be back on the beach. And if we don't get a hold of it, oh my God, please don't sigh when I'm talking. Not on Karen's watch.
Karen,
Don't copy me. Karen cares.
Karen does care. Onset, Karen cares.
Hashtag Karen cares. Get that going around the city.
She cares, and she is not here for nonsense. Onset Bay, I think you're hearing what Karen is saying, and I think we need to take this very seriously. And we have to thank people like you who want to come onto this show and let the community know of everything that is going wrong in this community. And honestly, we need the viewers. We need the viewers.
When you're right, you're right.
We need the viewers.
This is between right and wrong. I want to be on the right side. WRIGHT, the right side. My ex-husband Wayne always said, when you know you're right, you never give an inch. And that stuck with me. That really stuck with me.
Well, there you have it, Onset Bay. If you're interested in having a segment, Sunny and Care, where we have Karen come on and talk about everything that she has been seeing in the community, please let us know. We'll be putting a poll up on the website, and we would love to hear your feedback. We would love to hear your thoughts on this because we want to get some more viewers. So if that is going to interest you and you would love to see this beautiful sparkling face weekly, please let us know and we will make sure that we add that segment. Well, once again, Karen, we are just very lucky to have you here in Onset Bay, public access community television. And thank you so much for being here. I cannot thank you enough. Thank you for being here with us, Karen.
Thank you. Appreciate it, Sonny.